Hey, we are ready to finish up our third body paragraph, and we will have the whole body of our expository writing completed today, and all we will have to add in is our introduction and our conclusion. So let's see. I'm doing every paragraph in a different color. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm ready here. I got a little bit of room left down here to write about entertainment. All right. So I'm going to make sure I include something about how electricity and entertainment kind of go hand in hand, all right, because I need to make a main idea sentence for this. So I'm going to say, all right, so entertainment is very important. Oops, here's this paper. Move these things around a little bit. Very important in life. And without electricity, I wouldn't have some of my favorite things. Okay, my favorite form of entertainment, ooh, that kind of blurred all together there, is reading on my Kindle. And it's not even really a Kindle, it's my Kindle app. I can always have a book at my fingertips. I also use electricity while watching my shows on Netflix, Hulu, and, oops, I gotta add a little and right there. I'll write it in better whenever I do my final copy. And Disney Plus. These are very entertaining to my family. One of the biggest enjoyments in my household that uses electricity is video games. What could I say about it? Without them, I am sure someone in my house would die of boredom. Not really, but probably. Who knows? All right, and I'm probably not going to put anything about the movie theater because I put 3 details, and that's a lot of writing about that. All right, so that was my third body paragraph. I've written on how electricity helps me cook, how electricity helps me with communication, and how electricity helps me with entertainment. So you're going to go now and you're going to write your third body paragraph on whatever you put down here with your reasons, all right? It shouldn't be identical to mine. It can be similar, but it cannot be identical if you're using electricity, all right? So do your best, and then tomorrow we'll start working on our introduction.